All right, guys, so we're on lesson 1.4, order of operations. So our I can statement is, I can solve problems using the order of operations. We're gonna write and interpret expressions involving grouping symbols, okay? We're still using the properties even, odd, prime, square, and relationships, factor, or multiple of numbers to solve problems. So we're just still using what we did on lesson 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, but now we're gonna do order of operations, okay? Now, in 4th grade, in 5th grade, we learned a little cute mnemonic device, and it's please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, okay? So please is parentheses and brackets, okay? All right? Excuse is exponents.
We don't use this year, or in 5th grade.
We didn't, but in 6th grade you will. Have y'all started, you'll learn exponents, but Mr. Fromberger taught y'all
Yeah,
exponents.
I know everything but exponents.
Yeah, because Mr. Fromberger taught that to you. I knew he did.
He
So,
taught a bunch of stuff.
yeah, so you already know about exponents because he taught
I
that
had
to
to
you.
explain it to the whole class.
Miss Grindsoft did like a little bit.
That sounds
so,
like something Bethany would do.
Okay, so please excuse parentheses, brackets, exponents. My, what's my?
multiplication,
Multiplication, what's dear?
divide.
Divide,
Aunt,
addition,
Sally.
subtraction.
Okay, so you're right. Now, in your Schoology thing right here, I have written to say this is pegged, and when you forget, you go right here to find out the rules of the order of operations. So look right here. The rules that say which calculation comes first in an expression, okay? What's the do y'all remember the difference between an expression and an equation?
An expression has no answer.
You're so smart, okay? They are this. Do everything inside the parentheses first, or the brackets first.
Even if the parentheses is at the end, right?
Yeah.
Wherever it is in the expression, you do parentheses first, you do brackets first. So right here's your rule if you forget it. Then you're gonna do your exponents second, okay? Like x times 2, x times 3, etc. But you just said we don't do exponents in 5th grade. You're correct, but this is the rules of order of operations. So this is how Cody learned it, okay? Then do multiples. Then, look at me, I'm so tired, y'all. Then do multiplies. I need to put my eyes on. Then do multiplies and divides from left to right. That's the most important rule. I have to do it from what? Left to right, okay? Then, after that, I would do addition and subtraction from what? Left to right.
That's the way you read books, so it's pretty easy.
Well, you're making a connection, so,
Pretty much read anything from a book.
so, I mean, that just makes sense. Mathematics too also follows that in the order of operations from left to right, in this, okay? Now, when we're talking about order of operations, are y'all tired of me teaching? Be honest.
Really.
What? You really
Well, I'm
not?
tired because I'm not used to having a teacher teach me for a while because.
Right, y'all are helping me film all 4 lessons, and I really appreciate
And
that.
I went to sleep at like 2 o'clock in the morning.
Me too.
Y'all stayed
I
up.
went to my friend's house right before this, and I went to pick me up and then took me straight here.
All right, well, we gotta get back on task, because I get off task all the time too. But I've
That's
done
my
something,
little
I've got something fun I think you're gonna like that's gonna teach you order of operations. You know, we gotta have fun at home, right? I mean, sometimes you're at home, it's boring. Let's have fun.
Everything at your own house.
Are you ready?
Oh no!
Y'all guys remember Miss Jenkins' Faces of the Moon?
Yes,
Oh,
I saved it
I
last
still
night.
have it on my window.
I saved it last night.
Do you still have my meme?
Yeah.
I don't even know where that is.
I saved
I was like 100 of them.
I feel like it's in my backpack still.
You said the first time we heard it you were gonna do it, but I didn't know you're actually serious.
Yeah.
Darn, why'd you say that? Now it's in my head.
Skip it, please.
I know, Ms. Einstein.
I'm scared.
That was the ass in the video.
I thought that was the actual video.
A new miracle expressions operation
Like here. Yeah, it is. Problem.
I wanna know how you found it.
That's awesome, isn't it?
Yeah, but I just wanna know how you found it. Did you like look it up?
Yeah, I've been searching. This old woman's still trying to be cool, you know.
How come it's on our wall?
Feel better. We give that people ride their bikes.
Yeah, I like the background stuff.
There you go. Visit numberrock.com. You can look up all kinds of videos.
You give them like a link to this, cause I doubt they can hear it through that.
Miss Grimes, I've used a website called Flowcam.
Yeah, we do vocabulary.
Yeah, that
She's
was,
teaching all the science.
that was her thing, and she.
Yes, so she's the science teacher, and
She's
so,
probably pretty good at it.
This
Yeah,
guy's
she
a good
is.
science teacher.
yeah, she's a good science. I used all of her stuff, remember?
Yeah,
She let me have all, if that wasn't for her, she was my
Oh my
saving
God, that's what
grace.
you did last year. That's what you did
Okay,
last
now
year.
we've gotta do a practice problem. Are you ready?
That's what you
Okay?
did last year. Everybody would come to you and be like, can I borrow this and this from you?
Yeah, they do. So, listen, so here's your practice it part. So we had the video, all right? Now, we watched the video. So, I know, I'm gonna read it out loud, okay?
Why
So-
is the A and B on the
Okay, it says which expression is not 2 times the value of the expression 12 times 9?
12 times 9.
Okay, now listen, what's the key word here? Which expression is not
Yeah.
2 times the value?
So,
Oh,
so they don't have to be
the
100
expression.
and 100
12 times 9. Now this is challenging, so think.
What? Wait, so it's
I already have it.
You've got the answer?
Yeah.
Which one is it?
And
Let's look. Yeah, put those glasses on again, Miss Jenkins.
so I think it's like over here like this.
Okay, so we've got
I'm gonna have my
2 plus,
I won't be able to do that.
what's 12, so 12 times 9.
Yeah, yeah.
But it's a plus.
It's B.
B.
No, it's not.
It's the same thing.
B
Oh,
and
that's
B
not.
are all the same. A is different. It's a plus instead of a
Yeah.
multiplication sign.
Wait. Yeah.
Which
Yeah.
expression is not 2 times? Oh,
Yeah.
not 2
See,
times.
I
I didn't
told
see
you.
the not.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh.
Didn't you can say
I'm
not?
not going along with it because I can't see.
I did,
Wait, what are we?
but you know what? You know why he needed to read the directions to himself.
I
to
just worked
process
out
it.
every single one of them.
Yeah, you
While you're
need
reading
to read the directions yourself. Sometimes if you're not auditory, like I needed to read that card myself. So, which expression is not 2
Yeah.
times the value of the expression 12 times 9?
It's A. Or C.
So we've got 2 times 12 times 9, right? And then we got 12 times 9 times 2, right?
Yeah.
And then we got 12
A
times 2
69.
times 9, right?
A is 69. Right?
Okay, let's figure that out.
What?
She said let's solve it.
It's 216.
12 times 9 is 108. If you
Yeah.
add 2 to
Oh.
108, that's 110.
I'm thinking of
Yeah.
5 times 12. 60. Wait, what?
So 12 times 9 is 108, and then you're
Yeah.
gonna add 2 to 108, so it'd be 110.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
Okay, so now that was what was his name? Number Rock?
Another
No.
playing
Number Rock? Yeah.
Numerical.
Yeah,
numerok.
Whatever. The rapper, he was good at it, taught us how to do order of operations. We've done a practice it. Now, you're gonna do an evidence, so I need you to go to page, let's see here. Let's go to page, you're gonna need page 19, okay, 19.
Oh, I just flipped right to the page.
You're right to
My
19.
notebook did.
I flipped to page 85.
Yeah.
Wait, what page is it?
19,
I tried to flip through it the first time.
My page is terrible.
yeah, page 19. But I am gonna,
I went to 37.
These are fun. Let's do these.
okay, so let's go to resources.
Tears right out of the book.
Mine didn't tear out on the line.
Yeah, mine needs.
Mine did.
And sometimes that's gonna happen.
Mine tear out with the book.
Okay, 19.
That's bothering me, I'm fixing it. Where'd the line go? Fix that.
Okay, so let me see if I can pull up the page. I'm gonna get to wrong unit,
I think I have learned
investigation,
to middle school. Always keep
Um,
it in order.
rep, rep,
Don't be one of those people who just who have a paper and then they be like,
okay, so here we go, we're at, let's look at this real quick too. Remember I keep talking about these videos we can upload? So, this would be the definition of order operations. Again, this is a different way.
Order of operations. When a mathematical expression has more than one operation, there are rules for which operations are performed first. Benson and Nora solved the following problem in two different ways. 5 plus 4 times 3. Benson's solution? I think the answer is 27, since 5 plus 4 is 9, and 9 times 3 is 27. 5 plus 4 times 3. 9 times 3, 27. Nora's solution. The answer is 17. I multiplied 4 times 3 and got 12. Then I added 5 to get 17. 5 plus 4 times 3. 5 plus 12, 17. We have different answers for the same problem. We both can't be right.
Who's right?
Nora,
Why?
because you have to do the multiplication first. And so you have to do 4 times 3 and then add your time.
yeah.
Okay, good job. So, that is another way that we can review order of operations, and you're absolutely correct. So let's go and see if I can find the page.
That one didn't have a math word.
Well, it was order of operations. Order of no, she's tired and I'm tired too. So let's see.
I am really tired.
Okay, I'm exhausted.
I'm sweating.
Yeah, I think her face is good.
I just talked
burning.
I feel like my legs are stuck.
I used to go to
Yeah.
the
I know,
My face is burning.
Yeah, mine was.
I know, my face is red too. All right,
Is my face red?
this isn't even the right page. When all else fails, let's go old school. Okay, so let's look on page 19. Are you looking on page 19?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go to the hard one. If you look at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which one do y'all think looks hard? 6. I think 6 is scary too. So let's write 6 on the board.
Actually, no, probably 4.
Yeah, that's what
I
I
was
was
like,
Four.
Okay, you wanna look at my paper?
Okay.
No, I got my glasses.
But
I
6
got my eyes
has
on.
brackets and parentheses. So
Okay,
that
so-
might make it.
Well, let's make a vote. Which one are we doing?
Oh my gosh,
I
I think you need to stop using that blue marker.
I know, I'm gonna have to clean the board.
Oh,
I
love cleaning the board.
Okay, so let's say we're on number what? Which one are we doing?
4.
Okay, this is your choice now, so, look, that's
Where's the
the,
answer?
okay, that needs to go in the trash can. Where did that blue marker go I had? Oh, here it is. Okay. Now, we're doing number 4.
Yeah, do number 4.
So our rapper taught it. That was the teach it part. We practiced a couple of ways. We did the math vocabulary video. We did that sample problem. Now this is going to be the evidence for you, okay? So we've got number 4, 16. Now make sure I don't make a mistake writing it out. Is that divided by?
Yeah.
Okay, 16 divided by,
Parentheses.
Parentheses.
16 minus 4.
6 has brackets. 6 is harder. I'm
Yeah,
changing,
fine.
a woman can change her mind. We're gonna go to
15 minus
bracket,
parentheses.
parentheses, right? 4 divided by what?
2? Wait, no.
Oh, subtraction, isn't it?
Yeah,
Help me, I can't see.
wait. Subtract
your eyes?
2.
I've got them on and still can't see.
Oh, okay.
4 minus what?
2.
4 minus 2.
Parentheses.
Okay, parentheses. Then what?
Times 3 bracket.
Okay, now let's go back to what we were taught with the order of operations.
You want me to start with oh, no.
Okay, please excuse, so please I have to start what?
Parentheses.
But I also have brackets.
The brackets are pretty much like the parentheses, but brackets are independent, so what I do,
Yeah,
I
tell
do
me.
parentheses first, and then after the answer I get, you can times whatever 4 minus 2 is times 3.
Now, I loved how Miss Grindstaff taught y'all to do those groovy pizzas.
And
Let me see.
So, she taught them how to do these groovy pizzas.
I wanted that once.
And I had to steal that from her.
Yeah.
Okay, so,
I
we're
did pyramids,
teaching,
not
okay?
pizzas.
So, I'll show you how to do it.
You guys are making me hungry.
All right,
Yeah, I forgot my hot dog.
so what's parentheses? 4 minus 2 is what?
2
minus 2 is
times
Okay.
3.
So I bring down the 2. Now I've got it, because this is still in the bracket, so I have to bring down what, guys?
Times 3.
Times 3, okay?
Equals is 6.
Is 6, okay?
Minus.
Now, a lot of people, if it bothers you, you know, you can mark through that you've done this whole bracket now, right?
That's what Miss Frank said.
Yeah.
Exit out.
Yeah, you can mark through it, exit out, whatever, how it's your paper, whatever works for you. Now, what do I have left to do?
15.
Okay, so what I need to do is now bring down 15
Minus 6.
minus 6. And what does that equal?
That equals
11. Wait. I'm super confused.
9.
Okay,
Nine.
what do we need to do?
Never mind. I got it. Okay.
9.
So, yeah. And then you add the 6 and the 9.
15 minus 6 equals 9.
Okay,
No, wait. Yes, it does.
you tell me, does it?
Yes.
Okay. Now, with the pizza, I'm gonna let you come up here, and I'm gonna write it again, Mackenzie. I'm gonna let you model how Miss Grindstaff had you doing a pizza, okay? Because I'm an old school teacher, and I didn't teach the groovy pizza, so you're gonna teach the class how to do it. So let me write the problem up again. Bethany, make sure I don't make any mistakes, okay? So I'm making it higher so you can do it, Mackenzie. 15 minus, that is the minus sign, right? Bracket, correct? Okay, parentheses, 4 minus 2, okay? Parentheses, then
Times
what?
3.
Times 3.
Bracket.
Then what, bracket?
Bracket.
Okay, now, you show me, because I don't know how to do the pizza. So, wait a minute, oh gosh. Okay, hold on a minute.
You gotta wash it all. Wash it all. That was kinda hard.
Real quick. Plus, I'm gonna be super safe. My class has bought me Lysol, so when we're going in the library, we're spraying everything down, so that's double. Now I know you're safe.
My brother sprayed Lysol in my eyes yesterday.
Y'all, I didn't put my mask on, I'm getting close to her. Will y'all teach, this is how my class has to do, this is our code.
Yeah, it stinks.
Mask. When I forget to put this on, they say to me, what are you gonna say to me? Mask, yeah.
Miss Bowen, when she sprayed Lysol, she said, plug your nose and shut your mouth, and
But
she'd
then if
go
you
around
don't-
spraying it. Yeah, if you don't do that, then you will.
Oh, you'll choke on it.
Yeah, you'll choke.
It tastes gross.
It's like
How do you
soap.
know? That's disgusting. She goes like this.
Okay.
You know it tastes
All right.
like it.
Okay.
So usually what I do, I make a triangle, and then you do that.
Okay.
Okay, and then you draw your cross, and that's where you put your equation. So you do 15 minus bracket, parentheses, 4 minus 2, parentheses, times 3, bracket. So then, what you do is you do the parentheses first, so you do 4 times 2, which is 2, so then you make your pepperoni, and then you do times 3, which equals 6, so that's a pepperoni. So you always circle the equation part, and then you do 15 minus 6.
I like how she's looking back into the problem and really making sure she's not making mistakes.
And then you get 9, and that's your answer.
Oh, I like that. That's cute.
You taught us this one time.
Did I do
You
it?
taught us pyramids.
Yeah.
Oh,
I
You
didn't.
did the pizza crust one time. You had the, she gave you like a sheet of what the pizza crust would look like, and you did it on the board for us.
Oh, I guess I
We
forgot.
did it one day.
Okay, well, good.
But we never
So you get to choose. You know, some people would. Cody, are you too lazy to draw all that out again, or are you just gonna go straight down? Be honest.
I'll lie.
I'd probably just go straight down.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna make a huge pizza for no reason.
Okay, that's the beauty of getting to choose what you like.
What
Okay.
I do, I just write the numbers out. Mine's confusing to some people, because I don't write the equations. I just do it all in my mind, and then I just put it on my
Well, you
sheet.
have to
The
show
thing
your
is,
work.
the teachers don't believe that when you say do it in your
Yeah.
mind.
You have to show your work.
As
Well,
long
I
as
do
you.
show my work. It's just in a different way.
Right.
Hey, I saw.
Wait a minute. On task. We gotta finish now. Okay. So.
My pencil and papers in my mind.
Oh wait. We did teach it. The video. We just practiced it. Okay. Now you're at evidence. So go ahead and sit down
Do we
and
do the back?
you're just gonna do lay on the chalk thing and I'll clean it in just a second. Okay. So then now you're gonna work on your sheet. And I only want you to do that front side, okay? So go ahead and do page 19, okay, 1 through 6. You guys are so smart. This should be like candy to you, shouldn't it? We like candy, don't we?
No.
Yeah, that's why you should like doing these problems, okay? You already finished it? That doesn't surprise me. Let the girls finish.
I did 4 and 6. While y'all guys were like choosing which one y'all guys wanted to do.
So you were doing your work during instruction.
No, y'all guys were choosing 4 and 6.
Be on it. You were doing your work during what?
Instruction.
Okay. Thank you. That's okay.
You do that all the time. Y'all was over here arguing about which one y'all guys wanted.
Now, listen, I'm picking. I'm not mad
I
at you
know.
because you're smart and you can do the work. I just wanted you to realize that, what if you did miss something though that you needed?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
just think about that. How long do y'all think you need? 3 more minutes?
Yeah. I have one more problem.
Okay, let's do, so I'm gonna put 2 minutes. Let's see how fast you can do it. And I'm gonna wash my hands and we're gonna have a candy break.
Best thing was talk about bubble gum.
I have Kingston Moore, y'all know him?
Yeah.
She's in my class. And I have Abby Wolf, you know her?
Yeah. Yeah.
So she's brought me a bunch of candy, and Kingston's bringing a bunch of candy on Monday because he loves candy. See, his parents won't let him have candy because you know how hyper he is.
Yeah.
But he told me he has a secret candy stash that they don't know about. Okay, so now if they're watching the video, Kingston's got a secret candy stash. Okay, you have a choice between Laffy Taffy, Lemon Head, Sweet Tarts, Snakes, or chocolate.
Who's saying
Chocolate.
Okay, I'll let you choose. That's the beauty of choice. Math investigations is all about choice, choosing to do it your way if it works mathematically. So I believe in giving choice, okay? Because everybody likes different things, and everybody does it different
Wait.
ways.
Is that
Okay?
candy still from last year?
Okay, so you want chocolate. So
candy from last year?
It doesn't matter too.
it actually is.
Oh.
And the kids are going crazy. The chocolate doesn't get old if you have it sealed.
Oh,
But this is brand new. This is brand new.
Because I remember you had snakes in those pizza and things.
Yeah, you're actually right. But this is a gummy worm. It's like, it
Yeah.
doesn't go bad either.
No.
Okay, so what chocolate do you want?
I don't care.
I'm gonna pick, you get to choose. I have cherry ones or plain. Or the white and, chocolate mix.
I just want.
The white and chocolate mix is the. How you not know?
You want one of these cherry
Oh,
ones?
that's not to be interesting.
This is because the kids are going crazy. They had never had the cherry ones.
I love the cherry.
You want the snake?
This hurts my ears.
Now just wash my hands so you know what to say. What do you want, Mackenzie?
I love the cherry ones.
I'm thinking snake too.
Look at it.
Now just wash my hands.
A
What do you
little
want?
gooiness inside.
So here's the sad part. How do you eat and take your mask off?
Take your mask off and
Take your
eat.
mask.
That's correct. You may have a break while you're working. I'll stay far away.
Anyone say?
You can take your mask off to eat your candy, and then when you're done, you have to put it back on.
That was good.
These are really good. Oh my gosh. Mackenzie.
I ate that in my kids. What is she eating? What are you guys
The
eating?
gummy worm.
Okay, so I think you're done. So let's bring it back together and summarize, okay? So number one, what did you get, Cody?
14.
Yes, sir.
That's what I got.
Number two, Bethany, what did you get?
I got 90.
Yes, ma'am. Mackenzie, what did you get?
For number 3?
Yes.
3.
Yes, ma'am. Number, have you done 4, 5, or 6?
Yeah. I haven't done 4 or 5 yet.
Okay. I'm gonna ask you, number 4 in just a minute. We did 6 together. Hello, Miss Jenkins. So number 5, Cody. 6 is right, okay? Now, number 4 is tricky, Alana, because you have to make sure you do the order of operations correctly. Do I subtract first, or do I multiply first?
Don't you?
Let's go back to please excuse my dear Aunt Sally.
I
So
think, yeah, you multiply first.
Good,
right?
okay, so do that first, that's correct, working it left to right,
And then 4 times, the first multiply is 4 times 2 is 8.
and then I have to do what?
Then subtract 16,
16 minus 8.
which is 8, right?
Mm-hmm.
16 divided by 8.
Because 8 doubled is what?
16.
That's right, so then, that's 8, okay, then what, 16, is that a divide by, y'all?
Yeah.
Okay, so 16 divided by 8 is what?
Wait, no.
So you don't like division, so,
No, I don't like.
I know you don't. So,
So then do multiple.
so the multiplication.
Yeah, do 8 times what equals 16?
2.
Booyah, okay, we're done.
That was easy.
Thank you so much for, don't cut it off yet, Heath. Thank you so much for doing this, because what my kids and what all of our 5th grade kids need to see is math thinking, the way you let me use your great brains. Now, we have the luckiest kids ever, because Miss Lewis is like this phenomenal reading teacher. She's doing all the reading. We know Miss Grindstaff loves science, because she shared all of her stuff with me, and that's the way, it's my saving grace.
Her room is just so earthy.
It is very, she's very
Just
earthy.
like
She
outside.
has one probably the biggest room in 5th
She
grade.
does have the biggest room. Let's get on task. That beautiful Miss Brandon is doing the read aloud, and I'm their mathematics teacher for the whole 5th grade. What do you think?
I like that.
They get to have all of us. So,
Wait, who's plays Mr. is?
he's gone. There's only 4 teachers. All right, guys, I love you. Thank you. And let's raise the roof. We're finished. Ready? Whoop, whoop.